Hi, did you know when a factory belonging to a company having GST registration number in one state, say Rajasthan, transfers goods to its warehouse located in another state, say West Bengal, having a separate registration number, then GST is applicable on such transfer even though it does not involve any consideration. However, when a factory of a company located in a state transfers goods to its warehouse located in the same state having the same GST registration number, then GST is not applicable on such transfer. This is because an establishment possessing a GST registration number is considered to be a distinct person under GST law even though it belongs to the same company. For consultancy services, feel free to reach out to us at phone 8335898047, email aman.tiwari7195 @gmail.com. Thank you.